There is a vast difference between where people live and where they are during the day. Shifting work patterns, unpredictable peak times, alternative work locations, and the ever-growing need for intelligent mobility means that the number of people in a particular place at any given time is constantly changing. This is extremely important for uncrewed aviation operations because the number of people on the ground determines the risk of the operation and the feasibility and costs of each drone flight. Knowing where people are on the ground is precious information. Today, almost everyone uses a mobile phone, and cellular network operators have a vast amount of data about device locations. Therefore, they know how many people are in a particular area at any given time. This is where AirborneRF comes in. AirborneRF delivers anonymized, secure population density information for any given time and area from mobile network operators directly to connected aviation systems. While assuring privacy, safety, and data confidentiality, it enables automated risk assessments such as digital SORA, making beyond visual line-of-sight drone operations a reality of today. Contact us to find out how AirborneRF can help you.